Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. When you're having trouble playing videos on your computer, it's possible the file is corrupted. But hey, don't worry. It's usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to repair corrupted videos, no matter what format they're in, on your Windows 11 PC. Let's go. Sometimes when a video won't play, the problem might be with its codec. A video codec is like a translator that helps your computer understand and play digital videos. Without the right codec, it can cause playback issues or even streaming problems. This might sound complicated, but you can often fix it easily by using VLC Media Player. Yes, it's a video player, but it can also repair minor corruption problems, especially with AVI files. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer and play the problematic video. Next, find out what video codec it's using. Go to Tools, select Codec Information, and take note of the video codecs listed. After that, close the video and reopen VLC. This time, go to the Media tab in the toolbar and select Convert Save. Click the Add button to upload the same video you had trouble with earlier, and then click Convert/Save. In the drop-down menu, choose a codec. I recommend Video H.264 plus MP3 because it compresses the video well without losing much quality and works with most phones, Windows, YouTube, and other platforms. Next, choose where you want to save the repaired video. And click Start to begin the process. After a few seconds, go to the folder you selected and see if the video is now playing correctly. Instead of struggling with complicated settings, using a repair tool is a much easier and faster way to fix corrupted files or those ones that refuse to open. Unlike other online tools that usually only work with one type, this tool I recommend is a great all-in-one solution for repairing videos, photos, and documents all in one place, which is really handy when you have different file problems. So, if you suddenly can't open some of your files, download this tool using my link below for a chance to fix them for free. Once you install the software, go to the specific repair section for the type of file you need to fix. Do you have damaged video that has problems such as a black screen, flickering, blurring, choppy playback, or no sound? Then navigate to the Video Repair menu. It can fix most common video formats like MP4, MOV, MKV, and AVI. To start, just upload your video. And click Repair. You can even upload and repair multiple videos at once to save time. Repairing videos usually only takes a few seconds depending on how big the file is. When you see a message that the file was successfully repaired, you can save the fixed video to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.